Welcome, dear students, to Standard 7 Science. This is teacher Sharon De Silva, and we are discussing chapter number 10, Disaster Management. I'm going to continue from topic lightning. Lightning is an electric discharge in the atmosphere between oppositely charged clouds, or between charged cloud and the earth. Lightning is produced by the electric charges in the sky. Precautions to be taken during thunderstorms. Do not stand on open ground or below a tree because there are chances that you might be struck by lightning. Do not go on a high location or climb a tree. Do not stand near an electric pole, a telephone pole, or a tower, etc. Because these poles, they are mostly made up of metal, and metal attracts lightning. Do not lean on wired fences around a farm, a compound, a garden, or a house. Again, these are made up of metal, and metal attracts lightning. And if you are closer to these, then you also might get struck by the lightning. If you are on an open vehicle like a bike, a bicycle, tractor, or boat, get off immediately and go to a safe place. Do not gather all together, means if you are many people are there, then all people do not gather in one place. Precaution again, some more precautions. Take care to keep a distance of 15 feet between two people. Do not use plugged in electrical appliances. These appliances, if a nearby electricity pole or something is struck, your appliances will get damaged and there is a chance of short circuit in your house as well. Do not use mobile or telephone. Again, mobile, there is a minute chance, but still a minute chance is a big chance. So there is a minute chance that your mobile phone might attract lightning. Stand on dry wood, a plastic sheet, sack, or jute clothes, or dry leaves, so that you are not a conductor, because humans do conduct electricity. So if you stand on dry wood or plastic sheet or sack or jute, you eliminate conduction of electric power or electricity. So do that. Keeping your feet together, support yourself on the soles of your feet, placing your hands on your knees and bend low so that you protect yourself and your head. Swimmers or fishermen should immediately come out of the water because again water attracts lightning. A pakka or concrete house is the safest place. Find out if there is a lightning conductor on a tall building near your house. If necessary, get a lightning conductor fitted to your house. A lightning conductor, my dear students, I will show it to you a little later. It's a particular device which attracts lightning and passes it safely through into the earth. A lightning conductor looks something like this. So if this is the building, on top of the building there is a lightning rod made up of metal which is fitted. It is quite high. So when there's lightning going on, it attracts the lightning, and this lightning rod is connected with a wire, and this wire is taken deep into the ground, and there is a ground rod over here. So what happens is when thundering and when there's thunderstorms and lightning is going on, this lightning rod attracts the lightning, carries it through the wire, takes it to the ground, and it is eliminated in the ground. So the nearby areas and buildings and everyone is safe. That was about lightning. All you need to know about lightning. Next we move to volcanoes. A volcano is a natural event or phenomenon. The interior of the earth is very hot. Movement of hot substances continuously occur from the interior towards the surface of the earth. As a result, sometimes the solid, liquid, and gaseous substances come out of the earth's crust. When these substances come out of the earth's crust in an eruption and start flowing, it is called a volcano. My dear students, you will learn about volcano more in geography. In geography, you might be your teacher must have told you about something called as tectonic plates. The earth's surface is not a whole thing. It is divided into certain plates. So these plates, they continuously inside the earth, there is something called as this very hot substance, which is known as magma. It tries to come out through these splits or plates or the fault lines. It tries to come out from the fault lines. So what happens is, it is so hot it bursts out, and when it comes out, it is known as lava, and that is how a volcanic eruption takes place. As you see this particular picture, which is shown over here, it is these rocks have formed a certain shape. Many, many years ago, a volcano must have erupted over here, and it flowed towards the sea, and as it flowed towards the sea, due to the sea water, it cooled, and this particular shaped rocks were formed. These are volcanic rocks. So effects of a volcanic eruption: hot molten rocks, lava, vapor, hot molten mud, sulfur, etc. get collected on the surface of the earth, and thereby mountains and hills are created. One particular famous such mountain, Mount St. Helens, is created in this manner due to volcanic eruption. The atmosphere gets polluted due to the ash and gases ejected by the volcano. Temperature rises due to hot gases. Forests and settlements get buried under the hot mud. My dear students, up till now, the most dangerous volcano is Mount Vesuvius, which is in Italy. If anyone is interested, you can try to search the ancient city of Pompeii, how it was buried under ashes and hot mud, and how the entire city was destroyed. You can search and find it out. Often it rains as a result of a volcanic eruption. This particular picture, the first one, this shows Mount St. Helens, North America, and this is the only active volcano in India. It is called as Barren Island. It is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, in that area. Volcanoes erupt in the sea as they do on land. The same substance that comes out during the eruption of a volcano on the land are ejected during the eruption of a volcano in the sea. Some islands are created due to eruption of volcanoes in the seas. It is not possible to prevent eruption of a volcano or to stop it, or after it erupts, or to control it. This is not in our hands. We cannot do it. However, by means of science and technology, it is possible to predict an eruption and take immediate steps for disaster management. That was about volcanoes. The next, I'm sure you guessed it, yes. The next is tsunami. As on land, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur at the bottom of the sea too. If an earthquake occurs at the bottom of the ocean, the energy released pushes the water upwards. As a result of this, a peculiar type of waves are formed. These waves are not high near the source, but they start spreading very fast to long distances. The velocity of the waves is 800 to 900 kilometers per hour. When these waves reach the coastal area, their velocity is reduced, but their height is found to have increased tremendously, even to about 30 meters, which is approximately 8 floors high. Such a wave generated by an earthquake or volcano occurring on the ocean floor is called a tsunami. A tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbor wave. The Indian Ocean tsunami, which occurred on 26 December 2004, affected the east coast of India. A series of massive tsunami waves grew up to 30 meters, which is 100 feet, once high, once heading inland. Communities along the surrounding coasts of the Indian Ocean were severely affected, and the tsunami killed an estimated 2,27,898 people in 14 countries, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. These are actual photographs taken. You can see the damage and you can see the waves. This is from India. The tsunami, which had destroyed all the eastern coast and the south of India during 2004. Destructive effects of tsunami. In extreme cases, there is a large scale loss of human and animal life. Buildings and other constructions are destroyed. Financial loss on a large scale. Boats and ships near the coast get damaged. Trees are Trees are uprooted. Landslides too take place. Changes take place in the original land near the coast, giving rise to swarms. What happens is the low lying land is completely covered with water, and that land is lost then. In its place, what happens is swarms are created. Roads and bridges are destroyed, giving rise to traffic obstructions. The business or industries which are related to sea are adversely affected, and normal day to day life is disrupted. Large scale damage is caused to harbors. So, this was about the three disasters which we discussed. We discussed about lightning, volcano, and tsunami, and how we can save ourselves in each of these cases, what are their effects, etc. Now, always remember, regularly cut down trees or branches that are likely to fall and cause damage. If you are outside during any such natural calamity, take shelter in a safe place. If you are away from home, inform your close relatives and friends about your exact location. At home, shut the valves of gas regulators and turn off electric supply during the onset or predictions of a calamity. Inform and warn your relatives and friends about the probable danger, but verify the details first and avoid rumors. Offer temporary shelter to people who are away from their homes. Most important, stay calm. So that's all in this particular chapter, my dear students. Please read your textbook and go through the points. Notes will follow in a few days. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.